The TMD14 is a backpack sprayer that features a 4-gallon tank and a 3-horsepower 2-stroke engine, enabling it to spray liquids up to 39 feet horizontally and 25 feet vertically. According to Tomahawk Power, the system is 10 times faster than its competitors, capable of covering approximately 43,000 square feet in just 30 minutes of operation. The sprayer can disperse chemicals in droplet sizes ranging from 50 to 100 microns, making it suitable for applying insecticides in extremely small volumes, though an additional nozzle is required for this, costing extra. Without the nozzle, the TMD14 is priced at $46, but with the nozzle it costs $497. Additionally, the device can also function as a leaf blower, adding further value. Futurepump has developed a series of solar-powered pumps designed to help pump water in remote locations or reduce electricity costs. The SE1 model has a flow rate of 0.1 gallons per second, or 475 gallons per hour, and can pump water from a depth of up to 23 feet. The unit costs $550 without a solar panel, while with a panel, the price ranges from $641 to $733, depending on its power. Another, more powerful model, the SF2, has a flow rate of 3 gallons per second, or 950 gallons per hour. As expected, this pump is more expensive, costing $689 without the solar panel, and between $875 and $1,070 with the panel. The Growpact irrigation device allows you to create a path between plantings, and, while stable on regular soil, it significantly reduces the time and effort required for watering your garden. The owner can easily move the cart, which shoots water from its nozzles, allowing it to irrigate multiple garden beds or a large field. Although it may appear bulky, the device can be folded after use, ensuring it doesn't take up much storage space. Hanwha has developed a smart hive to address the climate crisis and the decline in pollinators, powered by solar panels that supply energy to control the internal conditions of the beehive. This system manages temperature, humidity, water supply, and feed, and includes smart sensors that monitor and transmit real-time data to an app. While this innovative solution isn't intended for the average person, if widely adopted, it could provide homeowners with an autonomous beehive that requires minimal effort while producing honey. Owning such a beehive would also demonstrate a commitment to environmental improvement. For $280, you can enjoy Mantis Garden Entertainment Invention, which allows you to crank a handle and take a break from weeding. By filling its 37-gallon drum with food scraps, you can turn the process into making fertilizer for your garden plants. The drum is well ventilated, ensuring plenty of air inside while keeping pests out, thanks to its high-density polyethylene construction, steel frame, and tightly sealed door. It's fun to spin the drum and make fertilizer anywhere, and Mantis' solution is easy to move around with its built-in wheels. Kärcher's BLV series combines blower and vacuum functions in one device, offering an efficient solution for leaf removal. The BLV 18-200 blows air at speeds up to 124 miles per hour, while the BLV 36-240 reaches 149 miles per hour. With a simple press of a switch, the blower turns into a vacuum, sucking debris into the attached bag at speeds of up to 81 miles per hour. Both models are designed for mobility and convenience, with built-in batteries eliminating the need for power connections, and a wheeled base for easy maneuvering. The BLV series is available at $28.50 or $350, depending on the version. Cardinal has developed a tool to rid your yard of mosquitoes and other pests in just 10 minutes for areas up to 5,900 square feet. According to the creators, it's 4 times faster than other battery-powered sprayers, and like those, Cardinal Sprayer is equipped with a battery that provides 4 to 6 hours of operation on a single charge, allowing for the spraying of up to 198 gallons of chemicals. For $152, users get a convenient tool with adjustable nozzles, soft straps, and padding for comfortable long-term use. Vego Garden has developed tools that reduce the need for frequent watering in garden beds. Each unit, standing 3.5 inches tall, acts as a reservoir that collects excess water and redistributes it among the plants, making one watering last longer. For $70, you can get a set of 2 components, or for $130, a set of 4 parts with 6 additional corner pieces. This system not only decreases watering frequency, but also prevents plant roots from becoming waterlogged, promoting better growth according to the creators. The log splitter features a 1.5-gallon gas tank and can be easily moved to any spot in the backyard, offering a powerful solution for splitting logs. Equipped with a single-cylinder engine, it can handle logs weighing up to 100 pounds and measuring up to 2 feet in length, with each cycle taking just 16 seconds. The splitter generates a total force of 32 tons, and its design allows for quick, easy transitions between horizontal and vertical positions. It also includes wood catchers to keep split logs within easy reach, reducing strain on the user's back. This champion log splitter is available for $1,900. Terrateck's Mini Harvester makes harvesting faster and more efficient. Simply insert a compatible screw drill, push the device forward, and the sharp elements at the front slice through the crops, which are then transferred onto a conveyor belt via a spinning drum. Terrateck claims this system can harvest up to 350 pounds of various lettuce varieties per hour. The Mini Harvester costs $3,301, but not every drill is compatible, so you may need to purchase a suitable drill separately.